I think this is a brilliant idea just because it's mine.
Hey there, welcome to the garage, or welcome back to the interstate. Not going quite as far as Arkansas this weekend, just a couple hours out of town. A friend of mine and working with a couple of buddies to work on a build project he's got going on. It could be really cool, could be really sketchy too. This is Joe the Incredible. He's also the weld inspector.
That's right.
This is Gap the designer.
I'm building with an OSHA approved man lift. So this skid steer plate, 3/8 thick, probably overkill, way too thick, real heavy. To hold the boom, going to be extended to, you can put accessories and whatnot in it for hooks. But I'm making like a man lift.
I think these up here are perfect for this. This up here is going to be your strongest edge.
Yeah, but I was just like, it'll double as, you know, it's my additional suspension. Because then I was going to put this in that. Well, these up here like on the end to run down to that.
I thought you were going to run from the edges of your arms.
I mean, well, I can, you know, I can just like, this is what I got these for. Just the fact that I can just do loops and stuff.
Yeah.
But then it'll double as I can use it as lifting point. It looks good here. Did you look on the back? Double check it. You want to look?
Yeah, go for it. I had to look.
Yeah. It's supposed to be what, twice as big as a whale? Yes. It'll be pretty good. Because you hadn't done this side over here, right?
Right.
Twice as wide as the thickness of the steel. Okay. So.
Ooh. So 3/4.
What's your that's pretty good, yeah.
A quarter wall, 2.5 inch tubing, and I'm thinking the basket and the assembly is going to be less than 250 pounds. I think it's going to be brilliant.
Oh, it's brilliant.
It's beautiful.
Whether or not it brilliantly works.
I think it's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's going to distort, doing.
Oh, I think it's gonna be take you for a
Which is
ride.
wild.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Nothing like filling a job redone.
It's like, you know, let us stop doing what we're doing and do what you're doing.
Oh, the pin's got to go through that hole, right?
I was just going to add a little piece of metal in here, you know, like just add a little piece of bar.
Yes, we just need a 1/4 inch.
We're just going to tack it and see where it is.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Let's see how it does.
Okay. Which way are we going?
I'm following you.
It ain't down in there.
So this one's good.
Want to stick boom in it?
Boom it.
A lot of deflection in that plate. Is it? Come look at it. I mean, bending's cool as long as it don't break.
I don't know if it. I got another
So we're
square.
trying to decide whether we attach it like this, or if we notch a 45 in that on both sides,
Because originally
and then attach it like that. Which way you think's better? Not what's easiest, what's better.
I think this is going to be better, but then we have it will be more complicated out here.
Well, no, because this is just a matter of this versus this.
Waters and stuff in here too in the drawers.
Okay.
See, so that actually covers more. So instead of having to like center it
No, I like that.
and then that,
Yeah, I like that. Cool.
is that tilted all the way back?
Will it not?
It'll lift it.
job.
We'll take him out of the garage if you're going to do that. See what's...
I mean, I almost hit the door. Yeah. Oh, it's dead. Ready? Yeah.
This is the sketchiest thing ever.
It's like better than I expected, which is it's like woo. We should not have done there. We should have just done pushing. All right. Woo, see what I'm saying? Yeah.
All right. Are you satisfied?
I'm very satisfied.
Yeah.
Job well done.
Yeah?
Yes. It doesn't feel unsafe. You know, like you don't feel like it's gonna break or fall, which is what I thought. I was like, I don't know, like physically is it gonna hold you?
Right.
But I think we're made a mistake is that putting those Phillip blocks having bearings on those shafts. It's so loose.
Oh, it rotates easy.
So
Yeah.
It's too free. It's like
Yeah.
a Ferris wheel. So I'm thinking just like a small steering dampener, steering stabilizer. It's good to figure out.
Figure out where to
Use a
put it.
rod or something, and I'll figure out what the stroke needs to be. Shaft length.
I think this thing's awesome. It turned out way better than I thought it would.
It's awesome.
All right, well, that's done. As you can see, we built a man lift. Gap's been wanting to do this for a long time, so we finally got together and we did it. It actually worked out pretty cool. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. I'm on my way home. I stopped to get some much needed drink. It was pretty warm in there today, but it was absolutely a blast. So got to get a ton of welding in, little hood time, and built something cool. I don't know, and it works kind of. It needs some modifications, but I appreciate you guys watching, and hope you have a great day. Go out and weld something, fix something. Just get in your garage and do some work. Y'all have a great day. See you.